Hi, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this 6-wheel adjustable cart. This is kind of a neat little design. Everything fits compact in this small thing that holds up to 600 pounds. It's got some little grips on top of here, but the real magic happens when you unfold this, because by pressing the button this can expand out, this part can expand out, and now you've got yourself a nice dolly that you can wheel around and load up things on. So if you've got heavier items that you're wanting to wheel around, you can obviously do that. Get those wheeled around like that. If you are not wanting to do heavy things like that and wanting to have something where you can hold boxes straight up and down, this part here actually pushes down and locks into place there. So now this part will remain firm so that if you're wheeling it around, you can have things on there. And why that's important is because you may actually have things you're not wanting to tip over, and it does come with several bungee straps that allow you to then attach onto here and wrap around, and you can attach it back onto the back side or whatever to hold this stuff in place. So that's kind of a nice feature to include those bungee straps there. Again, those back 4 casters on here, they spin 360 degrees. The front 2 remain stationary to help keep stability. But whenever it comes time to remove your project here, to simply push it down for easy storage, lock this part back into place, and that'll easily store in a closet or the trunk of a car.